MANIPUR da HOUKHIBA in KUMJA lisingeniga kulhumdoigi me THADAGI THOKLAKLIBA EERANG ASIDA security force ingi marakta AFABA coordination LEINA THABAK TOUMINNARI HAINA India ki army ki MAKOK OIRIBA General UPENDRA DWIVEDI na FONGDOKHRE ngasi New Delhi da leiba Manexo Center New Delhi da pangthokpa chahigi oiba paumi singa unaba ki thoram amada General UPENDRA DWIVEDI na makhata na haikibada security force singasina mafam singda khundadiba tribal miyam singa AFABA mari thamnaba hotnari hauzik maki oina athuba matamda thokliba irang asi loisinaba hotnaminaba changli masigi damak hana home secretary oiramlaba hauzikna manipur gi governor oiriba Ajay Kumar Bhalana AFABA khongthang kaya lokhalakani haibagi thazaba thamli haiki manipur da hauzik state police Assam rifles amadi atopa central armed police force kayana makoi masel gi barakta AFABA mari thamnaduna amaga gi marakta pauning thina faudoknaduna thabak tauminari haina General DWIVEDI na makhata na haiki.
When this problem occurred in May 2023, the police from various communities, it was very difficult for them to go to the different community areas. So thereafter the DGP had issued the orders that you go to the nearest police station to whichever community you belong to, so that at least you take on those duties. So once you take on those duties, you will find that Indian Army, Assam Rifles and the other CAPFs, we have to coordinate with those people in whichever area they are. So it's not a lack of coordination. Rather, these three agencies are the only one which are able to provide the coordination as of today.